Hello, Abusianfo. Welcome to Gasby GH. Nah, I don't pay me so many photos of Moesha as if she's in Nigeria. Is she really in Nigeria, or she's just these are like old photos that she keeps recycling? Because as far as Kenyans say, because Hona last year was a year, 2 years ago. I mean, I saw a photo of her and Pete Idoji, which it looks like a check Accra, but I'm not sure. Because Moesha doesn't change much, and she's such a beautiful lady. She doesn't change much, and because of the enhancements, we're taking care of herself as well. And she's always like looking really, really good. But anyway, so I saw that photo, and then I saw Swanky Jerry. Swanky Jerry is quite recent, a couple of years now. You know, I feel say now Moesha I'm not sure whether she's really there in Nigeria and she's going. I mean, I'm not saying it's on call, man in Kohoda, but just be careful and just stay within your own people. The entertainment industry, that's where you belong, right? Now, Jai Kofona did your mochia. Label more as a Bodoung for near the. Just be careful, because I mean, we are all rooting for you, you know, for your success in life and for your comeback. Inti Abeg Moesha, I mean, when you hear this message, I'm just telling you, just be careful on the path that you're treading. I mean, I heard it's also, you know, about America, about joining the Kardashian, which as soon as you come in, I'll be glowing onto the television just waiting for you to appear. Okay, so you have a big fan here waiting for you, but just be careful if you're going back into the Nigerian. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.